Africa Polling Institute, an independent research think tank, has held a one-day workshop to discuss the subject of social cohesion and how to promote inclusion in the society. Mr. Olubenga Ogumefun, Director of Research API, said the aim of the workshop is to improve on the methodology of its upcoming survey, which seeks to find out the impending factors to social cohesion in the country. The director told journalists in Abuja that the survey, which has the support of the Ford Foundation, is the third round of the Nigeria Social Cohesion Project, which aims to widen the focus and scope of social cohesion in Nigeria.
From the findings of the last one, we found out that Nigeria is not socially cohesive. It's not a socially cohesive state, about 42.3%, and that is actually below average. Between last year and this year, what has really changed? Is Nigeria a better place? Is Nigeria more socially cohesive than last year? These are the things we are going to find out. We cannot preempt what's going to happen. We are not going to preempt what the data findings will be. That is the essence of even coming together, revisiting the survey instrument, revisiting the methodology. At the end of the exercise, we go back to field and gather data. What happens between now and then is what we are here to make sure that we all go through and make sure that at the end of the whole exercise, the survey instruments we are going to use is all encompassing and improvements on what we had last year. Because as of today, what is the state of cohesion in Nigeria? Those are the aspects we are going to put together to make sure that the survey instruments, the methodology approach we are going to use will be an improvement, if need be, or to sustain what we did last year.
Mr. Segun Olajori, a staff of the institute, said the survey would be national in outlook as samples from the 36 states and FCT would be included in the survey.
What we mean by social cohesion is togetherness, the word togetherness. Are we together as a country? So what makes us, have some level of disparity between ourselves? What are the factors, what are the indicators that have tear us apart, in the years? And that's exactly what we are looking at, because we are using 5,000 sample size, because the same thing that was used, 2019, the same thing was used in 2020/2021. I want to maintain the same samples and the trend, So, and, as it stands right now, we want to embark on the field for data collection, and give or take, data collection usually takes about 4 weeks, like a month, to collect data. After that, the analysis will be done and all of that. So, but the methodology we are adopting here is strictly what we call quantitative approach. So, and involve a multi-stage stratified random sampling, where the country will be stratified into their respective regions, which is the 6 geopolitical zones, and further, segregated and into their states, and go deeper into senatorial districts and local governments.
Professor Hawau Yusuf, API Social Cohesion Research Fellow, called on the National Assembly to revisit the gender bills recently rejected by the legislature, as gender equity promotes social cohesion in the country.
If you don't mainstream gender into activities within the state or the nation, then social cohesion may be an illusion. For me, it is very important that we mainstream gender into our activities, into policy making, into decision taking, and ensure that women are allowed to participate just as men are allowed to participate.